This your girl Asia Willis speaking, back with another video. Here are some remote jobs that you could work from home. The first one is Amazon. As long as you have internet access, you could work from pretty much anywhere, and you would be doing customer service. So check out Amazon.com, click on careers and jobs, and you should be able to find it there. You can also find it on Indeed. This next one is called U-Haul. Most of us know U-Haul as a company that rents out moving trucks so you can rent them when you move. But you can also work for U-Haul from home. So check out uhaul.com, click on jobs and careers, and you can work as a customer service agent. You can also apply on Indeed. You can make $17 an hour starting, and then once you've been working with them for a while, your pay rate will increase. This next one is Apple. Work customer service jobs from Apple from home. You could pretty much work this job from anywhere as long as you have internet access. And as you can see, you can make up to $20 to $30 an hour. They are hiring for full-time positions right now, so 8 hours. But I'm sure that they will be opening up part-time as well. So make sure to check this one out. GoShare. Earn money by driving your truck, van, or car. You can deliver packages on your own time. So you will be working for yourself. And it shows you how much you can get paid depending on what type of vehicle you have. You download the app and you'll get delivery alerts. You accept the job, complete the job, and then you get paid instantly. Sticker.co. Earn up to $2,300 in cash and rewards annually. Advertise for businesses trying to increase their exposure. You can put a sticker on your car, on the side panel, or in the back window of their business, and as you drive, especially if you do a lot of driving, like another job for like DoorDash or Instacart, or you're driving a lot, you will receive cash and rewards for advertising. When most of us think of Airbnb, we think of a place that you rent out when you're going on vacation with your family or your friends. But what if I told you you can make a lot of money with Airbnb, even if you don't own a property? If you rent a house and you have an extra room, you can rent out that room if you're comfortable with it, because you are going to get a lot of people and you don't know these people, but if you're comfortable with it, you can rent out a room while you stay there. Even if you live in an apartment, you can also rent your couch out, or a room, an extra room if you have an extra room, and you can make money that way. When you download the app, make sure you click share so the people that are coming to rent the room or rent the couch know that there will be other people that are going to be there, including yourself, or maybe you are renting it out to another person as well. You can also make money with Airbnb by working from home. As long as you have a laptop, internet access, and a headset. You can find a headset really cheap on like Amazon, a good quality one too. You will be able to work and help customers and also people that are renting out their spaces with any issues they may be having, or with help with finding a different place to stay, or with help with the tenants that are staying there. T-Mobile. This is another work from home job where you can work from just about anywhere, even if you live in your car or you live in your van. As long as you have internet access, even if you have to pull up to like a Starbucks or something, hey, you might have to do it. Use their internet and you can work from anywhere. You would be helping customers and potential customers with their accounts, and this can be full time. This next one, you must live in Las Vegas, Nevada in order to work this job. So if you do not live in Las Vegas, maybe you know someone that can use this information, so make sure to share it with them. You will be able to work from home, and you will be taking surveys over a headset and your laptop with people, and you will be inputting their answers into your laptop. Adecco Staffing, work from anywhere as long as you have internet access. They do offer full-time. They also offer health insurance and dental insurance, as well as paid time off. You will be a customer service agent, and you will be taking calls from home. Lap of Love, work from anywhere as a customer service agent. All you need is a laptop, internet access. They do offer a lot of different benefits, such as health, dental, and a lot of others. So check this one out. Alright, Hustle Gang, if you enjoyed this type of content, please like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell for post notifications so you'll know when I'm dropping more videos. Have a great day, everybody.